Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I will show you different ways you can format your text in Canva. So let's get started. So I created this template last time. If you want to know how I created this in Canva, I'll leave the link in the description, and also I'll put a card somewhere on the top here. Okay. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna delete this, and by clicking on our text tab, right? Let's just enter some text. So I enter some text here, all right? And when we select our text, we get our tools pop up here. So we have fonts here, okay? Different type of fonts we can select, all right? Size, color, bold, if you want to make your font bold, italic, underline. If you want all of them capital, uppercase, right? Just click it, everything is capital in uppercase. And this one, alignment, obviously, all right? Different left, right, center. So by clicking on this icon here, you can have a list, you can turn your text into a list. All right, I click it once, I get the dots. I click it again, I get the numbers, all right? So if I go enter, I got number 4, obviously. So we're gonna undo that. And this one is for spacing. You can space, you can bring the lines closer, all right? You can bring the letters closer. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna select the whole text, right? If you don't select everything, watch what's gonna happen. So it will only affect that one line, right? So you want to make sure either you click on a box so whole thing is selected, like you don't have a cursor blinking like that, so then it will only affect that one line. Or if you have a cursor blinking, select the whole text, all right? The easiest thing to do, just click outside the box. Now bring your cursor back and then just click it once, so you have the text, the whole text selected. And now we'll go here, and I'll put, like it says over here, letter spacing, line spacing, okay? So this will space out your letters, all right? Undo that. And with this, you can move the lines closer or further as you like it. So put it here, and I'm going to, let's change fonts. Select these, all right? And I'm actually going to remove the background, so I'm just going to click on the background, click delete, and I'm going to click it again, click on this icon here, background color. I'm going to make it black so the text is more visible. All right, other things you can do, you can click on effects, and then you'll have these style and shapes pop up, okay? Now if I click on this one, I'll have shadow behind it, all right? You can see there. And I have some tools here I can play around with, okay? Very first one is offset. That means how far you want the shadow away from the text. So as I move this to the right, my number here will increase and the shadow will get further away from the text, right? You can also just click on it and enter the number, all right? I'm just going to make this bigger so we just see the effect more easily. Next one is a direction. So this one is which way you want the shadow to be, right? Next one is blur. This will add a little bit of blur, much as you like, to your text, okay? Right? And transparency, right? How much visible you want your shadow to be, right? So say you're happy with your style, just click outside of the box and effect will disappear, and that's your text. Alright, let's go back into effects. Now let's say you want to get rid of the shadow, the effect, or whatever you have on it. Just click on none right here under style, and you're back to your regular text. Alright, there are already some presets here made for you, right? So the next one is lift. You really don't see this one on black, obviously. Alright, so let's change the background to something else. Let's go blue. Actually, let's go white. So you see, there you go, see? Now let's say you want to curve your text, right? I mean, just get rid of all these extra lines. So want this text to be curved, right? Same thing, you're gonna go back to effects, and we're gonna change it, and we're gonna select curve. And our text is curved. You can make it bigger, smaller. Okay. Other ways you can align your text to your document by selecting your text and clicking on position here, right? And so you can press top and go right on the top, middle, bottom, left, center, right? You can do that here. Now let's take one of these presets. All right, these are free. Anything with the crown is paid. So we'll take the free one. Let's take this glow one, right? And we'll see. Just leave it glow, okay? And for whatever reason you want it here, right? But you want glow, this word, to be behind today. So what you do is you select the box, you can right click and go send back. All right, and these are there. So this means you go one back, right? One layer back. The next one will send it all the way back, just front of the background, right? Since here right now we only have one text, and then there's a background behind it. It really doesn't matter which one you will choose. So just go here, and now we have this behind our today, right? And we can do whatever we like, adjust it, design your thing. Other way, you can also have your text selected, click on position, and same thing. Now since it's all the way back, it can't really go more back, it can come to the front. So forward to move it forward, backward to go back. Alright, well that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.